What's up, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Prehistoric Nature. In this episode, I'll be diving into the prehistoric lemurs of Madagascar. And just by the way, some of them can grow to the size of a gorilla. Just imagine that, a gorilla-sized lemur. What's on the agenda for today? We begin with an introduction to the lemur evolution, their diversity of prehistoric lemurs, ecological roles and habitat, and end off with their extinction events and modern impact. Overview of lemur origins, arrival, and evolution of Madagascar. Lemurs are part of the primate order that and are believed to have diverged from other primates around 50 to 60 million years ago. Molecular fossils and evidence suggests their ancestors originated on mainland Africa or Asia, with lemurs reaching Madagascar approximately 40 to 50 million years ago. Their isolation on Madagascar allowed them to evolve independently, resulting in unique species. Diversity seen today. Madagascar's separation from other land masses resulted in unique evolutionary environments, allowing lemurs to radiate into multiple ecological niches. The lack of other competing primates enabled lemurs to become highly diverse, evolving from small arboreal species to larger ground-dwelling ones over millions of years. This adaptive radiation highlights the island's role as a crucial center of lemur evolution. Diversity of prehistoric lemurs. Giant lemurs and their characteristics, unique adaptations, extinct species, and fossil evidence. Fossil evidence indicates the existence of giant lemurs, some weigh 200 kilograms, such as Archaeonidrus and Paleopithecus. And no, I'm not making any of these up. I looked up the names. These species exhibited unique traits including robust skeletal structures and slow metabolism, adapted for folivorous diets. Their gigantism reflects a distinctive ecological role, analogous to some extinct megafauna elsewhere in the world during the Quaternary period. Prehistoric lemurs displayed highly specialized adaptations to their island, like inverted postures for feeding, elongated limbs for arboreal movement, and dental specialization is tailored to diverse diets. Behavioral adaptations include nocturnally and unique social structures, evident by bone morphology and fossil sites. These specializations allow lemurs to exploit multiple ecological niches on Madagascar. Now, a number of lemur species have been identified through fossil finds across Madagascar, with 17 distinct species known from subfossil records dating back to the last 2,000 to 10,000 years ago. These discoveries provide insight into past biodiversity and lemur biography, shedding light on extinction patterns linked to environmental anthropogenic pressures. Prehistoric Madagascar environments, lemur diets, and niche specialization, and interaction with other prehistoric fauna, the ecological role and habitats. Madagascar's prehistoric environment featured a mosaic forest, wetlands, and grasslands or dry deciduous forests in some regions that supported diverse fauna including lemur. Paleontological data shows shifts in vegetation correlated with climatic fluctuation throughout the Holocene, influencing lemur habitat availability and distribution. Analysis of dental microwear and isotopic data reveal prehistoric lemurs had varied diets from frugivores and folivory to insectivory. This and folivores are browsers that eat, eat leaves, and insectivores eat insects, and frugivores eat fruit. This diet specialization reduced interspecies competition, facilitating high coexistence levels. Some species adapted to seasonal resources, fluctuating by shifting diets annually. Lemurs coexisted with prehistoric Malagasy megafauna, including large tortoises, elephant birds, and carnivores like the fossa. So, the interactions range from predator-prey dynamics to competition for resources. Fossil assemblages indicate these complex ecosystems were highly interconnected, with lemurs playing a key role as herbivores. Human arrival and habitat change. Causes of prehistoric lemur extinction and lessons for modern conservation. Extinction event and modern impact is the section. Humans arrived in Madagascar around roughly approximately 2,000 years ago, initiating deforestation, habitat fragmentation, and hunting pressures. These activities coincided with rapid declines in megafaunal populations, including giant archaeological and paleoecological data like these changes just accelerate environmental degradation. Extinction drivers include things like hunting pressures, which don't only just affect lemurs, it affects all animals. Habitat loss from slash and burn agriculture, climate change, and introduced species. Synergy among these factors led to the disappearance of many large lemur species by the late Holocene, illustrating the vulnerability of island ecosystems. Prehistoric lemurs extinctions highlight the consequences of unstable human activity, environmental mismanagement, contemporary conservation efforts focus on protection, community engagement, and invasive species control preserve remaining lemur species. Understanding past extinction offers valuable insight for adaptive strategies in biodiversity conservation. In summary, exploring the evolution, biodiversity, and ecological roles of prehistoric lemurs provides a vital insight into Madagascar's ancient ecosystems. The impact of extinction events, particularly human influence, highlights the importance of preserving these unique primates today. This knowledge is crucial for guiding modern conservation efforts to protect Madagascar's irreplaceable biodiversity. That's it for today's episode, and thank you for watching. If you wanna support the channel, no, click that subscribe button, and I'll be leaving a link in the description below where you can access my website, where you can buy limited merch like hats, hoodies, and stuff like that, as well as canvases and mugs. And if you apply these two promo codes for canvases and clothes, you can get either 50 or 40% off for this month. For canvases, ADS3 is my discount code, and HB23 for clothes is my discount code. All you need to do is just click the link, go onto my site, buy the stuff that you want, click that, enter that promo code. I'll leave the promo codes there as well. And yeah. And one last thing, you can also check out my brand new podcast, The Wicked Prehistoric Animals podcast, or Wicked Prehistorics, and the Wildlings podcast on YouTube, both on YouTube. All you need to do is just search up Prehistoric Nature or Animal Adventure Channel, and they will be under podcast section.